हेलो एवरीवन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 9। ये है पार्ट नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है डैश ऑफ एनिमल इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री। आंसर है ब्रीडिंग। नेक्स्ट है एनिमल ब्रीडिंग एम्स एट इंक्रीजिंग द यील्ड ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड इम्प्रूविंग द डैश ऑफ द प्रोड्यूस। आंसर है डिजायरेबल क्वालिटीज। नेक्स्ट है a group of animals related by dash and similar in most character like general appearance, features, size, configuration, etc. are said to belong a answer is decent breed. Next है when breeding is between animals of the breed and it is called inbreeding, while crosses between different breeds are called answer है same outbreeding. Next है inbreeding refers to the mating of more dash related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generation. Answer है closely. Next है the breeding strategies as follows: superior male and superior females of the dash and breed are identified and mated in pairs. Answer is same. Next is the progeny obtained from such matings are evaluated and superior males and females among them are identified for father. Answer is mating. Next, a superior female in case of cattle is the cow or buffalo that produces more dash per lactation. On the other hand, a superior male is the bull, which give rise to superior dash as compared to those of other males. Answer है milk progeny. Next है inbreeding increases. Answer है homozygosity. Next है inbreeding is the necessary if we want to evolve a dash animal pure line. Next, inbreeding exposes harmful recessive genes that are dashed by selection. It also help in dash of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes. Therefore, this approach where there is a selection at each step increases the productivity of inbreed population. तो आंसर यहाँ पे है in eliminated accumulation. Next है however continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding, usually reduces fertility and even productivity. This is called inbreeding depression. Next है selected animals of the breeding population should be mated with dash superior animals of the same breed. This is usually restore fertility and yield. Answer unrelated. Next है outbreeding is the breeding of the unrelated animals which may be between individual of the same breed but having no common ancestor for dash generation. Outcrossing or between different breed. Outcross breeding or different species interspecific hybridization. Answer है 4 to 6. Next है outcrossing is the practice of mating of animals within the same breed but having no common ancestor on either side of their pedigree up to 4 to 6 generation. The offspring of such a mated is known as dash. It is the best breeding method for animals that are below average in productivity in milk production, growth rate in beef, cattle, etc. Answer है outcross. Next, a single outcross often helps to overcome dash depression. Answer है inbreeding. Next, cross breeding is method in which superior males of one breed are mated with superior female of another. Answer है breed. Next, cross breeding allows the desirable qualities of two different breeds to be answer है combined. Next, the progeny hybrid animals may themselves be used for dash. Alternatively, they may be subjected to some form of the dash and dash selection to develop new stable breed that may be superior to the existing breed. Many new animals breed have been developed by this approach. Dash is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaner Eves and Merino lambs. Answer है commercial production in breeding Hisar Dale.